This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the map you'll use offline. Open Google Maps while connected and signed in, then search the town or region you need and tap its name. Once the map preview appears, select Download Map and adjust the zoom so it covers your route. This controls file size and detail. Make sure you have enough storage and Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges. Once done, the map saves to your device so navigation can use it without a signal. Next, configure navigation so offline use is reliable. Go to Map Settings and confirm offline maps are enabled, and if you prefer, turn on automatic updates so data remains current. When planning your trip, choose driving, walking, or transit mode and set preferences like avoid tolls. These influence route selection even offline. For long journeys, download adjacent areas and label each saved map. This ensures maps can stitch routes across tiles and keeps your routing consistent when you lose cellular service. Finally, start navigation using your saved offline map and begin driving. Tap directions and input your destination. Maps will calculate using the offline data you downloaded. Keep in mind voice guidance and live traffic may be limited offline, so glance at turn cues more often. If rerouting stops working, try toggling airplane mode briefly to force offline routing or reloading the saved map. If issues persist, update or re-download the area and delete obsolete maps to reclaim storage and ensure fresh data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.